Let's talk about autumn. Autumn is the season after summer. In autumn, the temperature drops slowly. The mornings and evenings feel cooler. The leaves on the trees change color. They turn red, orange, and yellow. Watching the autumn leaves is called koyo in Japan. Many people travel to see them. Autumn is a great season for food. Many ingredients are at their best in autumn. Sweet potato, mushrooms, chestnuts, and pears are popular autumn foods. The autumn sky is often clear and high. The air feels dry and clean. Many school sports festivals are in autumn. The cool weather is perfect for sports. Halloween is celebrated on October 31st. Many places are decorated with pumpkins and ghosts. In autumn, farmers harvest their rice. It is a busy and important time for farms. Many parks are beautiful in autumn. People walk among the colorful trees and take photographs. Sweaters, jackets, and scarves become useful in autumn. The weather is cool, but not yet cold. Autumn is also called fall in English. The name comes from the falling of the leaves. Autumn is a quiet and beautiful season. Many people say it is their favorite time of the year.